Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat Map, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Snapchat app. Swipe all the way right to get to the Snapchat Map. Here you can see my Bitmoji. And when you zoom out, you can also see your friends' Bitmojis. If you want to see snaps created around you, just tap the area. And the snaps are shown. You can also tap places at the bottom center to find restaurants and local businesses around you. Now, if you want to hide your location, tap the settings icon at the top right corner. Then select Coast Mode. You can also set its duration. The Coast Mode hides you from everyone, but you can also customize who can see you on the map. There are 3 options and you can choose whichever you're comfortable with. And that's how you use Snapchat Map. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.